Good evening, everyone. Please join in and we will start off the session quickly. But I have to share with you all that Aaj, alright, Amul celebrates 100 days of lives, alright. So 100 days of lives Amul is celebrating today. They have been doing live sessions. Hi, Anish, hi. So we've been doing, lives for the last 100 days, imagine. And there have been over 2,000 chefs who have joined in, to do this lives. And more than that, hi everyone, hi Vipin, hi Dayal, hi Priya, hi everyone. And imagine, kudos to all you viewers out there. There have been about 750 million viewers, alright, who have been watching these Amul lives. Now, thank you, Amul. Thank you so very much for giving us this platform to come showcase our recipes, and thank you for having me today. So, hey everyone, I am Chef Aisha Nalaset and I'm from Mumbai. I am a culinary consultant, alright, and I'm very excited. मैं बहुत excited हूँ आज ये live session के लिए. And जो भी ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे आता होगा, आई एम श्योर बताता होगा एक छोटी सी कहानी जो ब्रांड अमूल और अपने चाइल्डहुड के बारे में. तो मुझे भी ऐसे ही एक कहानी आपको बताना है. हाय एवरीवन, हेलो, आई एम सो थ्रिल्ड दैट ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल हैव जॉइंड इन. थैंक यू सो मच अनीता, थैंक यू. सो जल्दी से मैं आपको मेरी स्टोरी बता देती हूँ. सो जब हम छोटे थे ना, माई फेवरेट product, alright, from Amul was cheese and butter. Okay, those are my two favorites. But I think my mom, okay, मेरी मम्मी को Amul बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद था, and still अभी भी पसंद है. Basically हमारा hair cut exactly ऐसा था, इस mascot की तरह. Exactly. So जब भी मैं ये mascot देखती हूँ, मुझे लगता है oh my god, मैं वापस अपने childhood पे चले जाती हूँ, जहाँ मेरे छोटे से बाल थे और एक छोटा सा fountain. And in fact, even my daughter had that little, haircut. So yes, thank you. Hello everyone. Hi, it's so great, to have all of you joining the live session, and I'm so very excited. मैं थोड़ा सा जगह बनाने वाली हूँ. Hi Delzine, थोड़ा सा जगह बनाने वाली हूँ ताकि मैं आपको पूरी 2 recipes जो मैं बहुत excited हूँ आपको दिखाने के लिए. So I'm going to start off, and I'm not going to waste any more time. So the 2 recipes that I'm going to showcase. Hi. Okay, I will talk in English and in Hindi, and you can stop me at any point if you don't understand. Alright, that's so wonderful to see you started your career at Amul. Yeah, so it's a very nostalgic story. But I'm going to start off with my, 2 recipes that I have planned for today. और दोनों recipes है, एक है दाबेली पिनवील, ठीक है, gluten free दाबेली पिनवील, और दूसरा है midnight corn pancakes. अब ये 2 बहुत simple easy recipes है, and I'm going to tell you about how to make the dabeli pinwheel. Now dabeli, what is dabeli? It's a street food, alright, that you'll find in Mumbai and in Gujarat, ठीक है, and it's one of my favorites. Basically आप bread लो, bread पे बहुत सारा butter लगा के उसे crispy बना दो, ठीक है. And then once you make it nice and crispy, आप उसमें एक spicy potato filling डाल के, थोड़ा सा फरसान डाल के, cheese डाल के उसे खा सकते हैं. Alright, so I really love that recipe, and I really love that particular street food in Bombay. Hi, hello everyone. But I have to tell you, I am going to share with you a recipe which does not have bread. Bread के बिना हम बना रहे हैं, उसे gluten free बना रहे हैं. और क्यों बना रहे हैं? क्योंकि basically I can't eat too much of bread, and so is my daughter. She also does not eat too much bread. A lot of people are allergic to bread, gluten, and they have a lot of health issues, and some people are on a diet. Okay, so इसीलिए मैंने ये recipe select किया है, alright, जहाँ मैं आपको ये gluten free दाबेली पिनवील दिखाने वाली हूँ. Sonal ma'am, this recipe will go through really fast, and then we'll get on to the corn. I've already planned it, my ingredients are all ready. I hope you don't mind. Alright, so I'm going to get on and start off with it. So for the dabeli pinwheel, आपको क्या चाहिए? पहला स्टेप दाबेली पनीर 3 स्टेप्स में हम डिवाइड करेंगे। पहला स्टेप है मूंग दाल चीला के लिए मूंग दाल। तो मैंने मूंग दाल को सोक किया था for 15-20 minutes and then I am going to puree. I pureed it, I blended it to make a nice smooth paste. My name is Aisha Vijay. My name is Aisha Nalaset. Okay, so then I made a nice smooth puree, okay, a paste, and then I've added water. So this is how it looks. This is the consistency. बहुत ही smooth होना चाहिए. Okay. Now here what I'm going to do is मैं थोड़ा सा हल्दी डालने वाली हूँ. Okay. Now don't worry about the recipe. आपको recipe मेरे Instagram page पे और on my Facebook page you're going to find it. So don't worry about the recipe. And my Instagram page is Aisha Nalaset, and so is my Facebook page Aisha Nalaset, which is AYESHANALLASETH. Alright. Now I'm going to add the dabeli masala to it. It's homemade, so you'll find this recipe there as well. Alright. Yeah, so you'll enjoy the dabeli paneer. I mean, we've been eating it for a while now. Alright, so now all I'm doing is सारे ingredients को mix कर देते हैं, pan को on कर देते हैं. Alright. And this is our batter which is ready. Now I have an induction plate here, alright, which is right here. I'm going to add very little butter because I'm using a non-stick pan, so I don't have any stress about it sticking. But butter always tastes nice, right? तो मैं थोड़ा सा butter डाल दूँगी, okay? And then we are going to make this chila. Now, my name is Aisha Nalaset. I'm going to add little water क्योंकि मुझे उसका consistency right चाहिए, ठीक है? So we're going to reduce the pan now and make chilas. ये normal chilas but उसे थोड़ा सा पतला करना है. Yes, the dabeli masala is very simple. It's chilies, it's coriander seeds, it's jeera seeds. You have cloves, and I've also added some cinnamon. So we roast all of that together and then powder it. So I'm going to go, so about 2 spoons of the dabeli, I mean of the chila mix. बस इसे आप set करिएगा and let it cook. Alright, I'm going to let it cook, but till then I'm going to show you how the chilas are supposed to look. तो मैंने यहाँ पर चीला बना दिया है, very thin chilas. मूंग दाल I've taken half a cup jigna, half a cup of मूंग दाल मुझे approximately 6 चीला मिलेगा. So what I've added to the batter is it's मूंग दाल which has been soaked for about half an hour, and then you puree it, you make a fine paste, add water, add jeera powder, add water, add salt, and add dabeli masala. That's it. Alright, so now I'm doing the chila. Like I showed you, it should be this thin, okay? So once it is this thin, once it's this thin, all we're going to do is, I'm going to get this off the pan, just 1 minute. I'm very distracted. So let it come off the pan and I'm going to show it to you. Let it cook a little. But while this cooks, I have this chila which is absolutely ready, okay? So let this cook slightly. I'm going to pull it off the pan. So once this is ready, see, if you make the batter too thin, it may stick to the pan, so we don't want that. So I'm just waiting for my pancake to come off easily. And we have a nice thin chila, so we'll just hold on. And then we're going to get on to making a nice potato filling. Okay, so this is taking a little time, so I'm going to get on to the potato filling because we have a very short window, right? So for the potato filling, very simple recipe again. कुछ नहीं है, simple easy recipe है. We'll put butter, okay? हर चीज़ में butter जाता है, तो we are going to add a little bit of butter. I hope you can see it. Little bit of butter. इसे melt होने देंगे. Okay, so I'm going to get the pan to you because what I've done is I've put it on a tripod, so I won't be able to lift it. But I have the pan here. Can you see it now? All right, cool. All right, so now what we're going to do is let this melt, let it get hot. I'm going to add little bit of hing powder. Okay, so thoda sa hing dalenge. Then we are going to add some onions. So onions को अच्छे से brown करेंगे. All right. Recipe is all available, so do not worry about the recipe. ठीक है? Now we're going to just saute. तो उसे अच्छे से आप उसे लाल कर दीजिए. Okay, make it nice and lal, the pyaz. But I'm going to hurry the recipe up because I want to show you another recipe as well, and I'm very excited about that one. I'm making the dabeli pinwheel, Tejashree. Alright, you may change the angle. Alright, you can see it now? Okay, great. So, you make it nice and golden, or even translucent is fine. The recipe that I'm making, Yashotita, is a dabeli pinwheel, a gluten-free dabeli pinwheel. Alright. Okay. Alright. Sharma, you wanted cooking stuff for your veg restaurant. That you'll have to get in touch with me separately, okay? Now here I'm going to add boiled kiya hua aloo, which is already ready. So I'm going to add the potatoes. मैंने आलू को boil करके mash कर दिया है. Okay. Now I'm going to quickly add dabeli masala. Okay. I'm going to add some salt, and I have a date and raisin chutney that I made. So basically मैंने dates और raisin को warm water में soak कर लिया 10-15 मिनट के लिए, and I pureed it. Alright, so a little bit of date chutney, so it gives it that spicy, sweet, सब कुछ मिला हुआ है इसमें. And then I am going to add some धनिया. And that's it. आप सारा को अच्छे से mix करिए, ठीक है? Let it all mix up together, and you are going to get this yummy mixture. It is that simple. सारी recipe details आपको मेरे Instagram handle पे मिलेगा या Facebook handle पे. But there you have it. ये ready हो गया, ठीक है? So this is our mix, which is all ready. अब इसको क्या करेंगे? बहुत ही simple. Can we use sweet? Absolutely. So I didn't have sweet potatoes, Khushbu. I did a mix of sweet potatoes and regular potatoes, but you can absolutely use sweet potatoes, yeah? And yeah, so the name of the recipe is dabeli pinwheel. So there you go. ये आलू mixture ready हो गया है, ठीक है? It's all set and ready. Now, next step, ठीक है? Next step में क्या करने वाले हैं? I'm going to just bring my chopping board here. Just bring my chopping board. Just one moment, guys. Okay. So I have the chopping board here. I have the chopping board, and I'm going to take my chila. Okay. So I hope all of you can see it here. Okay. Now I have this spicy chutney that I've made. So basically कश्मीरी रेड चिलीज है इसमें जो मैंने सोक किया है. आपको कोई YouTube? Okay, नहीं. So I don't currently have a YouTube channel. I do, but it's not very active. I just have a few videos there, but it's ongoing. I'm working on it. My Instagram handle is Aisha Nalaseth. It goes by my name, which is AYESHA and NALLASETH. Okay, so don't worry, Mamta, I'm making this at home in the comfort of my home, and therefore I've left my hair loose. But yes, when I'm cooking in a commercial kitchen, hair is up, nails are short, you wear a hairnet, you wear a cap, so that's a different scene. Alright, so I'm cooking at home. Okay, so like I said, it's Aisha Nalaseth. So now what I'm going to do is, ये चटनी जो है बहुत ही तीखी चटनी है. कश्मीरी रेड चिलीज को पानी में सोक कर दीजिएगा. 2 कश्मीरी रेड चिलीज, 8 to 10 garlic pods which you blend, and then you add some lemon juice and you add little bit of jaggery powder. तो अब Mamta ji, I'm going to put on my gloves, and I'm glad I got them. Okay, so I'm putting on my gloves because it's just easier for me to roll, and it'll ensure that सारा mixture अच्छे से आप roll कर सकते हो. And also I don't have facility to wash my hands here at the moment, so I am going to wear gloves. So what am I going to do? I'm making Dabeli Pinwheel Purnima. So I'm going to take this little chutney, I'm going to spread it up. ठीक है, सारा अच्छे से spread कर दीजिएगा. And then I'm going to take some of the mixture. Ensure mixture ठंडा हो, ठीक है, पर ये थोड़ा सा गर्म है अभी, but that's all right. I'm going to take a little bit. Okay, I'm going to spread some of the mixture like this. Just spread it out अच्छे से. And then my favorite, I have some Amul cheese here which I'm going to put on top, and then I am going to put some Amul paneer. Okay, that's it. Once this is done, spread it out nicely, and all you do is roll it. So I hope all of you can see it. अच्छे से tight roll करिएगा, ठीक है? We want it to be nice and tight. So there it is. ये हमारा roll हो गया है, ठीक है? So इसे थोड़ा सा ठंडा होने दो because I put hot aloo in it. But I have a batch which I've already cut, and this is how it looks. So एक बार आपने ये roll कर दिया, उसे ठंडा करके you cut it into these roundels. Now एक बार आपने cut कर दिया, I'm going to pull out my gloves now. So एक बार आपने cut कर दिया, then what we are going to do is we are again going to heat the pan and we're going to pan fry. So again थोड़ा सा butter डालेंगे, okay, because अब ये tasty लगेगा जब हम उसे pan fry करेंगे butter के साथ. It's going to taste wonderful. So थोड़ा सा butter डाल के सारे ये जो दाबेली pinwheels हैं, I got this here, I am going to place them in this. Okay, so there you go, your dabeli pinwheels in a pan. Make them nice and golden brown ताकि वो crispy वाला feeling आए, right? You want it to be crispy because जो actual दाबेली है वो crispy है क्योंकि वो bread को butter में डाल के अच्छे से crispy बनाते हैं, right? नहीं, so ये open नहीं होगा. देखिए, I'll tell you, क्योंकि आलू है ना तो वो चिपक जाता है, तो ये open नहीं होगा, ठीक है? So very simple recipe. We just want it to be nice and अच्छे से golden brown करेंगे. उससे सारा cheese भी melt होगा, पनीर भी soft हो जाएगा. So we are going to just, this I find comfortable to use my hands in. Okay, to turn it is just with a lot of practice. So yes, the pinwheel will be very healthy, it will be tasty, and I'm going to show you how to plate it up. But before that, I also want to try and cut a little bit, okay, just to show you a little section of the pinwheel that I've made now. So there you go. This is the pinwheel जो हमने अभी बनाया है, ठीक है? Very simple, very easy recipe. Okay, so I'm just gonna, it's hot here. So that's it. You have these lovely golden brown, and I want to show you the color, how it should look. So this is the color of the pinwheel. It should be nice and golden brown. I just cut a piece. Pooja, should I show it to you again? There you go. You have this beautiful pinwheel. I hope you like it, Pooja. Try out the recipe. Okay, it's very simple and easy, and I am just going to quickly plate this up on my lovely platter. So there you go. You have this lovely golden brown, spicy, sweet, cheesy dabeli pinwheel. Okay, मैं सारा ये bowl में plate में डाल दूँगी, and we are done. Okay, so this is the dabeli pinwheel. Very simple. थोड़ा सा हम garnish डालेंगे. Okay, little bit of pomegranate. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा पनीर. Okay, little bit of coriander, और मेरे पास थोड़ा सा roasted peanuts है, and that's it. Your dabeli pinwheel is ready. Okay, very simple, very easy to do. I hope you like this recipe. and I hope you give it a shot. Please try the recipe out. It's very, very simple, very, very healthy. All right. Okay, yes, sorry, Hamavir. Basically, the red chutney is दो Kashmiri red chilies को आप soak करेगा पानी में, and then once it's soft for about 15-20 minutes, all you do is blend it with some 8 to 10 pieces of garlic. Okay, then add lemon juice and add little bit of gur. Okay, so that's one recipe, but I have another recipe for y'all which I'm going to show y'all. But मैं ये जगह को थोड़ा सा clear कर देती हूँ, ठीक है? तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पर. So I'm going to just clear up this little bit, and then we are going to start off with the next recipe. So the next recipe that I've planned is midnight corn cakes. Okay, now midnight corn cakes के लिए मैंने आधा कप. Okay, yeah, I know, 11:30. Most of us feel hungry around that time only, you know, even after having dinner. Yes, तो आप see for this now, it's easier to use Kashmiri chilies, क्योंकि आप उसे अच्छे से blend करोगे ना तो वो pasty feeling आएगा जब आप Kashmiri chilies use करेंगे whole. Okay, so you know, Sunny, it is not very spicy because it has pomegranates, it has a date chutney that goes inside. Chutney you can make a plain chili chutney, ma'am. So Divya, you can make a plain chili chutney. There's no need to add garlic. Then all you do is puree the chilies, lemon juice and gur. Yes, so you can make besan ka chila, but I found that the moong dal chila na are more softer and more supple to roll. But besan ka chila you can actually do as well. Okay, so dabeli masala recipe is jeera, whole coriander seeds, cloves, cinnamon powder, Kashmiri red chili whole. Yeah, roast everything and powder it. The roti is a chila saurabh. It's a moong dal chila. All right. Okay, so I think I'm going to move on to the next recipe, which I'm very, very excited to show you. Okay, because I have a quick question for all of you all viewing this as well. So for the for this pancake. Okay, Pooja, you will find the full recipe on my Instagram page and on my Facebook page. So my Insta page is Aisha Nalaseth. So that's AYESHA NALLASETH. Okay. So Sunny, it is not going to be spicy because you're going to put very little bit of the chili sauce. Okay, and then you're going to sprinkle paneer, you're going to sprinkle cheese, you're going to sprinkle pomegranate. So it won't be spicy. Alright, so I'm going to go on to the next recipe, right? So can we start? चीला में सोडा भी डालना नहीं है. नहीं, चीला में सोडा बिल्कुल नहीं, सिर्फ पानी. चीला में पानी डालोगे, salt, dabeli masala and haldi. Okay. So the name of the next recipe, Ruchi, and I'm going to start, is midnight corn cakes, pancakes, midnight corn pancakes. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I have half a cup of maida. All right. I am going to quickly add some corn. Now with this recipe na, you can add minus, थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, थोड़ा कम हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है? So here I'm going to add some corn. Now I'm using frozen corn, ठीक है? Corn was frozen, all right? So I'm going to be using frozen corn, but if you have fresh corn, आप fresh corn को boil करके थोड़ा सा chop कर लेना and then add it, ठीक है? Any substitute for dates and raisins? आप tamarind chutney use कर सकते हो ना, मीठी वाली वंदना, मीठी वाली. Alright, so I'm going to get on to this recipe. अभी मैं थोड़ा सा शिमला मिर्च कटा हुआ और हरी मिर्ची डालने वाली हूँ. Okay, so शिमला मिर्च and हरी मिर्ची. Then I am going to add a little bit of coriander. Okay, I'm going to add my favorite Amul cheese. Okay, some salt, and in the end we need baking powder. Okay, so the recipe is again available on my Instagram and my Facebook page. Now I'm going to add milk, almond milk, and this could be about 20 ml of almond milk is absolutely 20 ml to 30 ml of almond milk is absolutely fine. And then I'm going to add some water. Okay, so a little bit of water, little bit of वी वांट अ थिक बैटर. ओके, ये बैटर थिक होना चाहिए. ओके, एनी स्पेशल region session doing this time? Okay, I didn't get your question, Ishwar. I'm sorry. If you could please type it again. Okay, so my Neelu, my Facebook page is Aisha @AYESHA and NALLASETH. Okay, it's good topic, reference, hunkered, everyone. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna show you how the batter will look. So quickly, मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ बैटर कैसा लगेगा. And this is how the batter is going to look. Yes, I have used sweet corn. It's a thick batter. ठीक है. You don't want it to be very patla because we're going to make nice pancakes. But you know, ये recipe मुझे क्यों दिखाना था is because it's a very versatile recipe. Okay, any more questions? I'm just going to go through. Alright, I will repeat the recipe. Instead of maida, can be used. Yes, you can use whole wheat flour as well. You can also look at using other flours like millet. But for this recipe, मैंने maida, chopped corn, dhania, हरी मिर्ची, capsicum, salt, cheese and baking powder डाला है. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is ये mix हो गया है. अभी से आपके पास घर पे corn नहीं है. Okay, you don't have corn at home, no problem. So you can add आप थोड़ा सा spinach डाल सकते हो, grated carrot डाल सकते हो. Rice flour, yes, you can use, but you know they may just get gluggy. So you will have to use a mix of rice flour and another maybe whole wheat flour. All right. Ma'am, could you please tell me, have you added to the... Okay, so I'm going to repeat this again. मैंने half a cup of मैदा, उसमें मैंने salt, onions chopped. I did not add that, but I'm going to add it. Chopped onions, chopped corn, all right. Baking powder, I've added half a teaspoon of baking powder. ठीक है? So chopped corn, chopped onion, chopped coriander, chopped green chili, chopped shimla mirch, salt, baking powder, milk and water. ठीक है? Yes, you can also use oat flour, but you'll have to use a mix, a combination of flour to get the pancake right. Baking powder, I've used half a teaspoon of baking powder. All right, but now I have a question for everyone viewing. पहले मैं आपको pancake डाल के दिखा देती हूँ, ठीक है? So what I've done is, मैंने बताया आपको थिक होना चाहिए बैटर, तो हम लोग थोड़ा सा मिक्सचर यहाँ डाल दे. I'll do 4 pancakes. Okay, nice. 1 ladle is good because ये spread होगा, तो 4 pancake बन गए. पर अभी मेरे पास एक क्विक क्वेश्चन मैं आपको पूछने वाली हूँ. मैंने बेकिंग पाउडर डाला है. सपोज घर पे आपके पास बेकिंग पाउडर नहीं हो, तो आप क्या डालोगे? कैन यू गिव मी अ रिप्लेसमेंट? जल्दी से आप एक मेरे को आंसर टाइप करके बताइए. Alright, so quickly type the answer. If I don't have baking powder at home, what will I add instead of baking powder? And no baking soda. So instead of baking powder and baking soda, what will I add? Can anyone guess? Oh yes, Deepa, I also added. Yeah, Priya, you're absolutely right. Absolutely right. I'm going to add Eno, okay? Half a sachet of Eno. Alright, normally I do a lot of Eno in my cooking, but I had baking powder, so I did not do that. But these are your corn pancakes cooking here. Very simple recipe. You want it to nicely, get a nice golden brown. Cook it on either side. Yes, Savita, yes, absolutely. Rukmani ji, Sujata, yes, everyone. It is Eno. Everyone's right. So yeah, we got Eno, but I'm just going to flip these. Okay. I am going to again repeat this recipe. All you do is, क्या करेंगे हम? मैदा, alright. You add, so Anjali, it is Eno. We'll add Eno. ठीक है? Alright, so I'm going to repeat. Maida, then you add chopped onions, corn. I'm using frozen corn, but अगर आप fresh corn use कर रहे हो, तो आप उसको boil करके फिर chop करके add करिएगा. then cheese, Amul cheese. Then I'm going to add coriander, chopped capsicum, green chilies, and milk, water, and I'm also going to add a little bit of baking powder or ENO or baking soda or even soda, right? So हाँ, विशाखा आपको रेसिपी चाहिए जो मैंने अभी रिपीट किया? ये रेसिपी के लिए आप मैदा डालेंगे, ठीक है? अब मैदा में आप इनो या आप बेकिंग पाउडर या आप बेकिंग सोडा डाल सकते हो, ठीक है? फिर आप डालोगे चॉप्ड शिमला मिर्च, हरी मिर्च, धनिया, प्याज और आप कॉर्न डालोगे, ठीक है? दूध और पानी डालोगे और ऑफ कोर्स चीज डालोगे और उसे पैन फ्राई ऐसे करोगे. So there you go. I am pan frying these yummy corn cakes. They're nice and fluffy, very easy to make. I am just getting my plate ready. और ये corn cakes के साथ मैं एक जल्दी से quick dip या sauce या you can call it a topping, okay? So I have yogurt here, Amul yogurt. Poonam, but I would like someone to understand the recipe, right? It's quite confusing when you're talking and you join in between. So yes, Sunny, you can use eggs, yeah, totally use eggs. But here on this platform, we are showing you vegetarian recipes, and therefore, I haven't put eggs. But yes, for this dip that I'm going to tell you, it's yogurt, it's dhania, tomato. You can add pyaz if you want. I'm not adding pyaz, and that's it. Ab sara mix kariye, and I love amul dahi, okay, because it's so nice and thick and yummy. But I have this, I can have plain amul dahi. So mix up everything, सबको ready रख दीजिए, आपका dip ready है, okay? And we are just going to plate. Nice and simple recipe. Yes, this recipe is very simple and versatile, ठीक है? आप इसको, अगर आपके पास घर पे कॉर्न नहीं हो, आप इसमें सिर्फ चिली चीज़ पैनकेक बना सकते हो. तो सिर्फ चीज़, धनिया, हरी मिर्ची, शिमला मिर्ची डाल के बना सकते हो, या आप सिर्फ पालक डाल के बना सकते हो, या सिर्फ गाजर डाल के. सो ये बहुत ही वर्सेटाइल रेसिपी है. आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिक्स एंड मैच करके बना सकते हो. ये एक बेस है और फिर आप अलग अलग रेसिपीज ट्राई कर सकते हो इसके साथ. सो एनीवेज, माय पैनकेक्स आर डन. आई एम गोइंग टू प्लेट देम अप. ऑलराइट, ऐसे वन ऑन टॉप द अदर. मैं आपको एक, आई जस्ट शो यू वन, ओके, अच्छे से गोल्डन ब्राउन करके put it on top. Thank you, Samta ma'am, thank you. So I'm going to just put a dollop of this dip that I made. I'm going to move like this, and what I want to show you all, I don't know if everyone gets this, but I found it and I wanted to show you all this. Can anyone guess what flower this is? Can you guess? Can you guess what flower this is? Okay, so I'm going to use this as my garnish. Okay, and there you have it. You have these gorgeous corn cakes with a yogurt, which is very simple. Okay, any guesses what flower this is? कौन सा फूल मैंने यूज किया है, कौन सा फ्लावर मैंने यूज किया है? Any guess? कोई guess कर सकते हो? सीमा जी, no. Yes, Namita, this is dhania ka flower, and it's so pretty, You barely see it these days, but I found this beautiful flower, right in my dhania ka bunch. So I said I should use it. Yes, so you know what, Pooja ji, you can add whatever you want to the dip, alright? Dhania, hari mirchi, mint leaves, any yummy flavoring, even a little bit of the spicy sauce that you can add to it. Alright, so so these are the two recipes that we have created today. I am just going to show it to you all again, and I am so thrilled you all liked it. So these are the corn cakes that we made, and this is the dabeli pinwheel. Okay, I hope you all liked it. I hope you liked both the recipes, and I'm open to any questions. कोई भी questions हो आप पूछ सकते हो अभी. Now I'm absolutely at ease because मैंने सारा खाना बना दिया, ठीक है, और काफ़ी गर्मी है. Right. Can you please? Okay, so I'm going to just repeat, Anupama ma'am, once again. Corn cakes के लिए बहुत simple. Okay, yes, you can have them. Sorry, Anupa ma'am, I'm coming back to you. Anuja ji, you can, yes, add a coconut, green chili, coriander. It'll be great. Okay, all right. So I'm going to repeat the entire recipe again. All right. For the corn pancakes, आप मैदा लोगे, half a cup of मैदा, about 60 grams of corn. Okay, बॉइल कॉर्न, अगर फ्रेश कॉर्न है आप उसे बॉईल करके चॉप कर लोगे, अगर फ्रोजन कॉर्न है तो आप सिर्फ उसे चॉप करके ऐड करोगे, ठीक है। सो कॉर्न जाएगा, चॉप्ड शिमला मिर्च, चॉप्ड धनिया, चॉप्ड हरी मिर्ची, चॉप्ड प्याज, ग्रेटेड अमूल चीज, ओके, एंड मिल्क एंड वाटर एंड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बेकिंग पाउडर, ठीक है। सबको अच्छे से मिक्स करिएगा एंड पैन में अच्छे से पैनकेक्स बनाओ, ठीक है। सो दैट इज दिस रेसिपी। द मूंग दाल चीला, हेमा जी, yes, you can use green moong dal as well. For pinwheel dabeli, can you suggest without? So if you don't want, no, Divya ji, if you don't want to add potato, add sweet potato. If you don't want to add sweet potato, you can make a potato mix, okay, with chopped potatoes, like how you make pav bhaji ka mix. That way, make a dabeli mix with just sabzi, okay. All right, so my link is shared. It's Aisha Nalaset on Instagram and on Facebook. If you could please reshare it, Delna. Okay, so I think we're good. Like, do you have any more questions? Can you please give me recap of dabeli? Okay, so I'm going to recap dabeli pinwheel once again. We are running out of time. Manuji is going to kill me. But yes, for the dabeli pinwheel, we make a chila, okay? तो मैंने एक मूंग दाल चीला बनाया है, मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ। इतना पतला होना चाहिए चीला, ठीक है। उसमें मैंने एक आलू का मिक्सचर बनाया था। सो इट्स पोटैटोज दैट हैव बीन, इज इट प्रोसेस, यस, प्रोसेस्ड चीज़। ऑलराइट, सो मैंने आलू का मिक्सचर बनाया था जिसमें मैंने थोड़ा बटर, हींग, प्याज, आलू, सॉल्ट एंड दाबेली मसाला डाल के सारा मिक्स करके वो मिक्सचर बनाया है। Then you add a little bit of a spicy chili chutney, which you'll find on my Insta page. The recipe is there. Add the potato filling, add cheese and paneer, roll it up. ठीक है, आप अच्छे से roll करके उसे काट दीजिए, ठीक है। Once you cut it, then you pan fry it so that they become nice golden brown and crispy like this. Can you see it? Okay, and that's it. And serve it with anar, farsan, little dhania, some cheese on top, and that's it. That's done. All right. Thank you so much, Anuja ji. Thank you. That's really nice of you. Yes, Savita ma'am. I was at Tupperware India. I was their culinary product specialist there for about 3 years. All right. So if you're Jain, yes, you can absolutely use raw banana instead of potatoes. Not a problem at all. Thank you, Sunny. Thank you. You love the recipes. Thank you so much. Okay, dabeli masala once again. I mean, you guys are loving my dabeli masala recipe. Okay, so the dabeli masala recipe is very simple. Cinnamon stick, clove, ठीक है, cloves, लवंग, जीरा, whole coriander seeds और कश्मीरी रेड चिलीज, सारा को अच्छे से भून लीजिएगा और फिर उसे पाउडर बना दीजिए। That's it. It's very simple. Yes, Vandana ji, I have used processed cheese for both my recipes. All right. Okay, great. So thank you so much, everyone, for so many questions, so much love, and so much of support. Please do check out both the recipes. They are available on my Instagram page and on my Facebook page. Thank you for your time, and thank you, Amul, for giving me this platform to come and do this live session. I loved it, I enjoyed it, and I loved how you all asked so many questions. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you, Viva. Thank you so very much. I'm glad you enjoyed the recipes. Okay, so Nidhi, you can watch, it's getting recorded, so you can watch it once it's done as well. Thank you, Vandana ji. Thank you, Mani. Thanks, Shasta. Thanks, Ashutosh. Thank you, Kainaz. Thank you so much. Thank you, Chaitali. Thank you so much. It was such a pleasure doing this. Thank you, Amol, again. and they're going to kill me. They gave me a 30-minute slot and it's 45 minutes. Yeah. Anupama ji, so I'll just share my link. I think if you just scroll up, you'll find my link, but I'm going to tell you again. It's Aisha Nalaset. All right, that's my Instagram link. It's @AYESHANALLASETH. Awesome, ma'am. All right. Thank you so much. I had such a wonderful time. Thank you. See you soon for another fun live recipe with something absolutely different once again. Good night. Have a great Sunday and see you all soon. Bye.